started. Hey, my name is Greg Montgomery. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the farm manager here at UAM. I've been in your spot exactly where you're at.
All right, so right here, just stick it straight in. Don't put your thumb on the syringe.
Get up now, Kel. Come on. Come on. Yep. Come on. Get up. Get up.
Try to do today. We're going to be vaccinating and deworming our cows. We're a fall calving cow herd. Okay, we'll start calving about the 3rd week of September, and we'll be done 1st of December. Okay.
Yeah. So pull the skin up, like right here. Like pull the skin up really far away, and you'll feel a punch when it goes in. You have to do it pretty hard. You'll feel it. You ain't got it in yet. There you go. Now just push it in.
We're going to have students that have, this is kind of old hat for them, to students that's never touched a calf or cattle before. So we're going today just kind of approach it like you've never done it. Some of the kids will just be all in and learn a lot.
And it's going to be easier if you hold it like this and jab it, and then you'll feel it when it pokes in. I grew up in Hermitage. My grandma and grandpa has about 150 head of cow over in Monticello on the outside, and I've just been working there my whole life. Okay, so hold it in your left hand. Pull the skin with your right, a little farther down, like right there. Pull it, and you'll feel it. You got to push it in.
That one was easy.
Some go easier than others, I take it.
Yeah.
Take advantage of the hands-on that we have. I know some of you probably could care less about a cow. Some of you, you're going to want to get as much experience as you can. So I really want you to get your hands dirty. Be sure you watch the head gate and the tailgate, because I'm telling you, man, I'm not probably going to pay a whole lot of attention to you, because I'm probably watching the cow. I hold it kind of like a pencil. I go up here, I take this hand like this. We're going to do it. We're going to do it in the triangle of the neck, okay? Front of the point of the shoulder. 1165. You're just making sure you're getting behind the skin.
So that's behind the skin. Okay, now I see a
Twist,
whole
pull.
lot of it. Different.
Twist and pull. This class, this lab, plays a huge part in what we're trying to accomplish here with our animal science and pre-vet students. It is completely hands-on with our cattle here.